We want to clean the ceilings, and this is recessed lighting. We talked a little bit about cleaning the ceilings. It is super important that you have the right tools. And one of the right tools in order to do this properly is the Swiffer duster. Now I use the Swiffer duster for most everything. Okay. They say they're going to bury me with one of these in my back pocket because I use it all the time. But the recessed lighting, this is true for all the lighting that's in our home. We want to turn the lights off when we do this. And you'll see this is kind of a dim picture. It's because the lights are off. If by any chance you go after a cobweb and you have this in your hand, if the light is on, the filaments on this are going to burn the Swiffer duster. It's going to start to smoke, it's going to smell bad, and it's going to stick to your light. Now, if you're careful, that's all that happens. If you're not careful, it's going to bust a bulb. And you don't want to bust a recessed light bulb before a realtor comes over, because then they're going to go, hey, how come there are no lights in the house? Right? So you want to make sure that they're able to turn on all the lights and it creates that bright, airy feeling. But you want to make sure that there's no dust on those lights and that there are no cobwebs. So before they come over, make sure that you clean those lights.